I made money translating content with AI, no skills needed. I took one piece of content, one blog article, and I turned it into 10 languages using AI. Then I sold those translations and got paid. No language degree, no bilingual skills, no prior translation experience, just a free AI tool and a simple system that most people have never even considered as an income stream. Today, I am showing you exactly how I did it and how you can start doing the same thing today. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Why AI translation is a hidden goldmine. Most people think about AI for writing, for video, for images. Almost nobody thinks about AI for translation. And that is exactly why this opportunity is so wide open right now. The global demand for translated content is enormous and growing every single day. Businesses want their websites in multiple languages. Content creators want their videos subtitled for international audiences. App developers need their software localized for different markets. Authors want their books available in Spanish, French, Arabic, and Portuguese. E-commerce stores want product descriptions in every language their customers speak. And most of these businesses have no in-house translation team. They outsource it to freelancers, to agencies, to anyone who can deliver accurate professional translations quickly and at a reasonable price. AI translation tools have reached a level of quality that makes this genuinely viable for a beginner. Not perfect for every use case, but more than good enough for most business content, especially when combined with a light human review pass. That combination, AI speed with human quality checking, is your competitive advantage in this market. The tools that make this possible. You need 3 tools, all free or very low cost. Tool 1 is DeepL. DeepL is widely considered the highest quality AI translation tool available. It produces translations that sound natural and professional rather than robotic and literal. The free version handles up to 500,000 characters per month, more than enough for a substantial freelance workload. The Pro version is available for high-volume work. Tool 2 is Claude. Once DeepL produces the translation, you paste it into Claude and ask it to review the translation for naturalness, cultural appropriateness, and any phrases that sound awkward or unnatural in the target language. Claude acts as your quality control layer, catching the occasional mistranslation that DeepL produces on complex or idiomatic content. Tool 3 is Google Translate. Use it as a second opinion on any section you are uncertain about. Comparing DeepL and Google. Translate outputs on the same passage quickly reveals which version sounds more natural. With these 3 free tools working together, you can produce high-quality translated content in dozens of languages with no prior language skills. How I set up my first translation job. I went to Fiverr and created a profile offering professional content translation services powered by AI. I listed translation from English to Spanish, French, German, Portuguese, Arabic, and Mandarin. I priced my basic package at $15 per 500 words of translated content. Standard at $25 per 1,000 words. Premium at $60 for up to 3,000 words with a 48-hour delivery guarantee. I asked Claude to write my complete Fiverr gig description. I gave Claude my service details, my target client, small businesses and content creators who need professional translations quickly, and asked it to write a benefit-focused description that highlighted speed, quality, and competitive pricing. Within 3 days of going live, my first order arrived. A 500-word blog post translated from English to Spanish. $15. I ran it through DeepL, reviewed it with Claude, delivered within 2 hours. The client left a 5-star review. That review led to 2 more orders the following week, scaling to 10 languages at once. Here is where the real opportunity opens up. Most translators offer 1 or 2 languages. The client has to hire multiple freelancers to cover their full language needs. You can offer all 10 languages in one package. 1 client, 1 relationship, 1 delivery. Everything covered. Open Claude and ask it to help you build a premium 10-language package offer. A complete translation of one piece of content into 10 languages: Spanish, French, German, Portuguese, Italian, Arabic, Hindi, Mandarin, Japanese, and Russian, priced at $150 to $250 per project depending on word count. For a client who needs this, finding one reliable person who handles everything is worth significantly more than hunting down 10 separate translators. You become the complete solution. And DeepL handles all 10 languages with excellent quality. One project, 2 to 3 hours of work, $150 to $250 earned. Beyond Fiverr, create a profile on Upwork targeting the same service. Upwork has larger clients with higher budgets and longer-term project needs. A single Upwork client who needs regular monthly content translated across multiple languages can generate $500 to $1,000 per month of recurring income from a single relationship. Your action plan starting today. Sign up for DeepL free today. Create your Fiverr profile and gig using Claude to write all your copy. Create your Upwork profile with the same service offering. Set your pricing using the structure I described. Deliver your first order with genuine quality and speed. Collect your first 5-star review. Let the reviews compound into consistent monthly income. The translation market is enormous. The AI translation opportunity is still wide open. And most people watching this video will never act on it, which means the ones who do will have very little competition. Which language pair would you start offering first? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this opened your eyes to an income stream you had never considered, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.